Okay, this cocktail is called a Don Juan. Hey, Don Juan, man's man, right? So we've got dark rum and tequila. Let's get going. This calls for a cocktail glass. We're going to have our martini glass, cocktail glass chilling over here on the side. Now, if you want to know the difference between a martini glass or a cocktail glass is kind of more like it's just a rocks glass with a stem. It's a smaller opening as opposed to a martini glass. It's rather larger. It really doesn't matter, whichever you have on hand will work. Let's take a shaker glass and fill it with ice. And it's going to be equal parts of the dark rum and tequila. We're going to put 1.5 ounces of each. Start off with our tequila here and our jigger. It's a handy little pouring tool you can pick up at any restaurant supply store. Ounce on one side, 1/2 ounce on the other. And we use some Myers dark rum. It's Jamaican rum, and it is very dark. Look at that. And 1 ounce on this side. And we're going to finish off with some pineapple and grapefruit. Just a splash. This isn't a drink, this is a cocktail. It usually means lower on the juice content and higher on the liquor. Just like that. Let's get my shaker. We'll shake this up well. That looks manly. And let's strain it into our martini glass. This looks like something you get at Starbucks. Look at that. Add it to the menu. Don Juan, enjoy.